Good morning, sir. I am Ashish Ramchandra Dilot and my friend Moin Khan. We are making a paper presentation on intelligent transportation system.
Introduction for Intelligent Transportation System. Importance metrics for economic growth of country is its increase in its vehicle ownership. Last 10 years, India has seen an associate increase in vehicle ownership and roadblocks and traffic snares in its metropolitan cities. Principal reason for traffic congestion in India is that the road space and infrastructure has not improved on par with the traffic. The problem is reflected in the World Bank, which estimate the economic losses incurred on amount of congestion and poor road alone is run as high as $6 billion in a year in India. ITS is a tested route to migrate traffic congestion problems. ITS can be defined as the use of technology for improving transportation system. Major objective of ITS is to evaluate, development, analysis and integrate new technologies. Although the origin of formal ITS dates back to the 1970s. History of Intelligent Transportation System. The origin of formal ITS program dates back to the 1960s with the development of Electronic Route Guidance System or ERGS in the United States to provide drive with route guidance information based on real-time traffic analysis. During the early 70s, the ERGS program led to a more sophisticated automated system comprising interactive visual digital maps called Automatic Route Control System. Same era saw the development of Japanese Comprehensive Automobile Traffic Control System program. Taxonomy. The most commonly used classification of ITS is based on the positioning of system as given below. Vehicle level. Technologies developed within vehicle including sensors, information processors and display that provide information to the driver. Infrastructure level. Sensors on and by the side of road collect important traffic data. Tools of communication provide drivers with pertinent information to manage traffic better than tools include roadside message, GPS alerts and signal to direct traffic flow.
Analysis. Data analysis included data cleaning, fusion and analysis. The data from the sensor and other collection devices that are transmitted through the TMC must be checked. Inconsistent data must be weeded out and clean data has to be returned. Traveler information. Travel advisory system facility are used for relaying transportation related information to the motoring public. This include variable message signs, highway advisory radio, public radio announcement, television broadcast and other modern media tools. Such system can provide real-time information on travel times, travel speed, delay, accident, route and detours, and work zone condition among others. Driver control system. Our tool and concepts that enhance the driver control of the vehicle to make travel safe and more efficient. For example, in vehicle collision warning system alert the driver to a possible imminent collision. In more advanced AVCS applications, the vehicle could automatically brake or steer away from a collision. Commercial vehicle operations comprise an assemble of satellite navigation system, a small computer and a digital radio which can be used in commercial vehicles such as truck, vans and taxis. Advanced public transportation system applies state-of-art transportation management and information technology to public transit system to enhance efficiency of operation and improve safety. If include real-time passenger information system, automatic vehicle location system, bus arrival information system, etc. Traffic signal priority TSP. The system allows buses to receive priority at traffic signal when running behind schedule, reducing the number of steps at intersection as well as the amount of delay experienced at traffic signals, improving trip time reliability while also contributing to reduce operating costs. Real-time passenger informations. The system provides next bus arrival time information to customer at the 98B line stations, updated in real time based on vehicle location and schedule adherence, thus increasing passenger convenience and accessibility to the system. Automated voice and digital next stop. On board the bus, automated voice and digital display provide next stop announcement to on board passenger. ITS in India. The ITS program in India is aimed at ensuring safe, affordable, quick, comfortable, reliable, and sustainable access for the growing urban and rural population to jobs, education, recreation, and such other needs. A few ITS applications have been introduced in India in metropolitan cities like New Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, etc., focusing on a standalone deployment of area wide signal control, parking information, advanced public transportation, toll collection, etc. Trial of Advanced Traffic Management System. Tamil Nadu, September 2009. This involved a trial run of the fully automatic traffic regulatory management system involving uses of surveillance camera in the city of Chennai. This project involving installing sophisticated camera, wireless tower and poles under the Rs 3 crore state government funded project. Automatic number plate reader camera were installed in 28 out of 42 vantage point in the cities, while pen tilt zoom camera were deployed in 10 out of 12 busy junction identified. The traffic police also plan to install 40 CCTV cameras at various junctions. Automatic Traffic Control ATS. Ahmedabad BRTS is a highly ambitious rapid transportation system developed by Gujarat Infrastructure Development Board, recognizing that no signal mode would cater to the mobility needs of the city and that bus forms the most critical segment of the public transportation in the Ahmedabad. In August 2009, the Ahmedabad India Bus Rapid Transit System termed Janmarg or Peopleways began trial operation, becoming India's first fully featured BRT service with median station level boarding and central control.
City Pune BRTS. Pune BRTS 1 corridor. Delhi. Delhi BRTS 1 corridor and one more planned. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad BRTS 1 corridor and 17 more under construction. Indore. Indore BRTS 1 corridor. Mumbai. Mumbai BRTS 7 under construction system. Hyderabad. Hyderabad BRTS 2 corridor. Bangalore. Bangalore BRTS 14 corridor planned. Chennai. Chennai BRTS 1 planned. Coimbatore. Coimbatore BRTS 1 corridor planned.